At Sneezeburg Productions, we're here to convince you that delivering a quality product is our top concern. Our main priority is to satisfy your ego and meticulous desires. We want you to feel like we've helped achieve your vision. The first time my corporation hired Sneezeburg, we were immediately impressed. We were thrilled with his professionalism, diligence, and quality of work.
When we had Sneezeburg first document our cause, I right away saw that he was going to take good care of us. And as soon as he started managing our nonprofit's cause, I knew that we were in good hands.
Sneezeburg moved the way that I started looking at my vacations. He just showed me that money really can buy happiness.
Both his personality and end product he produces are exceptional. I just can't believe how productive his work comes out. Working with Sneezeburg has always been a pleasure.
No matter which way you slice it, you just can't go wrong with Sneezeburg. The stuff that he produces will just blow your mind. Even though we're now past budget going bankrupt, I still think that he was a worthy investment.
You know, whether it's a sense of direction or expertise behind the camera, you just know that you're dealing with a pro. It's like his cinematography is it's revolutionary. I've never seen anything like it.
So, do you have something that you want to share with the world? Is there an idea you just can't wait to bring out? Let me help to make your production into a reality. My name is Sneezeburg Filmgoer, and I promise to make money off of your idea.